Introducing ConnectLingua Copilot AI, an agent augmentation suite designed with advanced AI-powered features to assist your workforce in delivering exceptional customer service and improving operational efficiency across 70+ languages. This video demonstrates a customer support example in a financial institution, showcasing how each feature assists the agent during customer interactions. As soon as the contact is accepted, Copilot prompts the representative to greet the customer using one of the dialogues suggested.
Terima kasih telah menghubungi layanan pelanggan kami. Ada yang bisa saya bantu hari ini?
Hai, nama saya Cynthia Bella. Saya mengalami masalah saat menggunakan kartu kredit secara online.
Terima kasih telah menghubungi kami. Cynthia Bella, saya menyesal mendengarnya. Bisakah Anda memberi saya deskripsi singkat tentang masalah ini?
Let's fast forward. In this example, the customer is required to authenticate their identity by providing correct information for at least 3 questions.
Mari kita beres sebelum kita melanjutkan. Saya perlu memverifikasi identitas Anda untuk tujuan keamanan. Bisakah Anda memberikan nama lengkap Anda sesuai catatan ban?
Laudia Cynthia Bella.
Copilot assists the agent in asking the right questions, displaying the correct answers for reference.
Terima kasih. Cynthia Bella, bisakah Anda juga memberikan tanggal lahir Anda?
A counter keeps track of both correct and incorrect answers provided by the customer.
Tentu, ini tanggal 12 Maret tahun 1985.
Terima kasih. Terakhir, bisakah Anda memberitahu saya 4 digit terakhir dari nomor jaminan sosial Anda?
Ini 5688.
An error is displayed if the customer has provided an incorrect answer.
Maaf, Anda telah memberikan SSN yang tidak valid. Kota mana Anda dilahirkan?
Jakarta.
After correctly answering 3 questions, the customer is authenticated and the results are displayed on the right, allowing the agent to proceed with resolving the customer's query.
Terima kasih telah memverifikasi identitas Anda. Cynthia Bella, saya menghargai kerja sama Anda. Sekarang, mari kita bahas masalah dengan kartu kredit Anda. Sudahkah Anda mencoba menggunakannya di beberapa situs web? Atau apakah itu situs tertentu di mana Anda mengalami kesulitan?
Saya sudah mencobanya di beberapa situs berbeda, dan itu tidak berfungsi pada salah satu dari mereka.
Let's fast forward to the end of the conversation. Post-call work details are automatically generated at the end of the interaction for the agent's review. This includes a conversation summary, customer-provided information captured as tags, and the nature of the customer's query displayed as disposition. The agent also has the option to edit the conversation summary to add further information, or change the disposition to reflect the accuracy of the interaction. After saving, a new case is generated in Salesforce for efficient tracking of customer interactions, and the after-call work info is automatically populated in the case details. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.